In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as on desktop in Microsoft Excel. This is perfect when you want a copy of your workbook right on your desktop for quick access, sharing, or organizing. We'll keep it simple and clear so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Look to the very top left corner of Excel and click File. This opens what's called the Backstage view, a central place for tasks like opening, printing, exporting, and, of course, saving. If you don't see the ribbon or you're in a compact view, make sure the File tab is visible. It's usually the first tab on the left. Inside the Backstage view, choose Save As. Save As is great when you want to choose a different location for your file, or keep a separate copy without changing the original. It gives you control over where the file will live and what it's called, while leaving your current version untouched if that's what you want. Next, click Browse. This button opens your system's File Explorer so you can pick the exact place to store the file on your computer. If Excel is showing cloud or recent locations, Browse is the quickest way to jump to your local folders and see the familiar navigation panel. When the File Explorer window appears, select Desktop as your folder location. You'll typically find Desktop in the left-hand sidebar under Quick Access or This PC. Choosing Desktop ensures the file will land right on your main screen, making it easy to spot and open later. If you keep a tidy desktop, this can be a real time saver for files you use frequently or need to send right away. A quick tip while you're here: glance at the file type setting near the bottom of the window. Excel usually defaults to the modern .xlsx format, which is ideal for most workbooks. If you're sharing with someone using an older version of Excel, you may see options for legacy formats, but sticking with the default is typically best for full compatibility and features. Another helpful note: placing a file on your desktop is great for immediate visibility, but consider moving long-term files into a dedicated folder later to keep your workspace uncluttered. For now, the goal is simply to make this workbook easy to find. That's all there is to it. File, Save As, Browse, and select Desktop. With these steps, you can confidently direct Excel to place your workbook exactly where you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!